here's the proper way to load and use your automatic domino laying train. First thing you want to do is take the domino clip here and grab as many dominoes as you can. You start stacking them in, say lay down flat in here. I'm going to take care of the part of your clip here with the flat part towards the top here and slide it down the outside of this clip to lock them all in place. Now turn it over. So this will be the side we put into our train right here. Turn around backwards. Now with our clip in the train, we simply turn the train on. That's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.